The EZKA has many functions, but today we're going to be covering programming an entry code. Press the pound button twice in rapid succession. The light will turn from green to red. Enter the default master code. Now press 7 to begin programming. Enter the slot number that you wish to enter the user code in. You can have up to 500 user codes, and the slot numbers are numbered from 001 to 500. Now enter your code of choice. To exit, press the pound button again twice in rapid succession. You are now programmed and ready to use your gate.